Hey, join us as my husband and I show you how we uninstalled our old washing machine and installed our brand new one. We also have a video on how we uninstalled and installed a dryer as well. But during this video, we're going to focus on our washing machine. Many of the stores will install a new appliance for you, but you need to be aware that what they will not do is uninstall your old machine. So let's walk through that process first. Most of these stores are going to require that you have a shutoff valve and also a plug within 4 feet of your machine. We started first by just unplugging the machine to keep from any electrical hazards as we worked with the water valves. The only tool that we really used in this whole process was a wrench to help us loosen the valves in the back to the water lines. Here's a look at the water lines to the hot and cold, and also the drain line right in the middle that drains the water out of your machine. Next, we just simply turned off our hot and cold water valves.
I'm looking at the hoses off the water in the back. It's going to leak.
So you unhook the hoses from the back and then put them down the drain.
That way it wouldn't
line.
leak anywhere.
That way they wouldn't get on the ground.
I hear it running, so I'm pretty sure it doesn't unfold. Nope.
Here he just put the hoses down the drain line so that, as he said, there's still water coming out of them. Therefore, we have a leak.
So you can see on the cold side where the water's leaking. We did not choose to fix ours at this time, but that would be a good time to fix yours if you have one. Here's the back of the machine. You can see where we unhooked the hoses from the hot and the cold side. And just be aware that your machine is still filled with water and you'll need to drain that once you get it outside. So we just hooked it up over the top.
That's part of our problem with it right there. It just came out when we moved it.
What's our problem?
The spring.
This is the spring he's talking about. We're missing the spring off of the drum.
Even though this machine is probably 30 years old, we'll still repair it one more time and take it to our other property that we have. I'm so excited that we're getting a matching washer and dryer at this point. Again, most major stores will both deliver and install a new machine for you, but we live too far away, and so they're going to charge a fee, so we just decided to do it on our own.
So what order are we going to do this?
We're going to do the drain hose, then the water hoses, then electricity.
Okay.
Cold water.
Pretty straightforward, huh?
Mm-hmm. A little common sense gets you a long way in the world.
All right.
Plugged in. Valves on the check. Cold water first since it was leaking.
It was already leaking. What do you mean?
Valve in here not holding. It was leaking. I'm checking it, making sure it's not leaking anymore. Hot water next. We're gonna sit and watch it just a minute on both ends. Make sure.
And then that's it. Then you just move it back, huh?
We didn't have to level ours, but there are adjustable legs on the bottom in case yours is not level. And also, you need to make sure that you use the right kind of detergent. This is an HE, high efficiency, so make sure you get high efficiency detergent. Hey, thanks for joining us today. And if you're interested, don't forget to check out our dryer install video as well.